Hi, let's talk about Kaixin Auto Holdings. It's a company that operates as an used car dealership in the China. Market cap 453 million, and this is one of the companies that hit extremely 90% within the day. So basically yesterday's close. Earnings have declined by 15% per year over the past 5 years, and shareholders have been substantially diluted in the past year. Snowflake Analyze shows only the health 4 out of 6. And latest share price and events. So there's was some of the CEO change, update guidance, private placement, shelf registrations, and that is leading to the market performance. So 7-day return 66%, 1-year return 212, and of course those numbers are beating the industry, also the market. Long-term price volatility considered as the lowest because they don't have the relative the 5 years needed to the market. Industry itself is very highly volatile. Valuation side, unfortunately, simple Wall Street, neither the tip ranks or the market watch does not have any price targets. So this is very unlike a situation where you cannot find on this side the valuation. Future growth for the retail industry that they work in, 20%. Past performance of the company, historical annual earning growth decreased by 15%. So they have this kind of revenue grow till the 2019, and then the revenue decreased pretty much since that. And also they have the volatility on the earnings side, as you can see on the screen. Company is unprofitable currently, and financial health side. So we see here that they had equity on the negative side. This could be a very serious situation, but they managed to increase the level of the equity, but then once again they decreased it, and currently we see that debt to equity ratio is 203%, considered as high. 50 million of debt, equity 7.5, and cash 3 million. Balance sheet looks mostly green, but they have this debt side. They are not paying dividends, and insider transactions on the seller side. Company sold 500,000 last November. Ownership breakdown, 65% owning the general public. Public companies 33, insiders 1, institutions 0.3. Top shareholders, we see here that on the top is the individual is adding, another decreased, so there's actually on the both side, and we don't see here, for example, the biggest Vanguard or BlackRock. And Finviz shows that it's highly volatile share price. The volumes are once again hitting the records, 264 million in the volume, basically last previous day, 6th of August. This could lead to the Monday opening. We could see, for example, the same spike, but I'm not sure. So they had this in October last year, 19th, when they opened it up within 3. Highest points were 13. So $10 per share we're adding, and lowest point 2.75, close at 8. So they hit, for example, if we take a closer look at here, so within, okay, there's a few days, but anyway, 13th of October till the 19th of October close, 1,400% of return. That's insane. Of course, those who invested on the top lost till the, for example, here, minus 66. But those who were averaging, so if you're invested on the top, you down minus 66, you investing once more again, you average the price. So you brought at 8.15, for example, the close, and you brought at, for example, 3. if the amount is the same, your average would be probably somewhere around 5. That could mean that another pike, you could double your investment. But I think there's not so much people who investing when it's already like up to 1,000%. And yeah, once again, when it drops, if you're playing long, if you believe in the company, you're averaging, and once again, we see this hit plus 76%. 1 year return 212%, huge returns. And yeah, so the volumes are once again raising. The price is, I think it's pretty normal, so we've seen the prices over the year. It also could return to those numbers that they had before the spike, so about $0.50. That could mean there's a big potential to the drop, but also big potential to the upside. Anyway, investing.com, summary the stock for long-term investors as a neutral. By moving average is a buy. By technical indicators, it's a sell. And we see here that yeah, many of comments we see here that 270 million of volume. Monday we'll see $5 or low $2. Who knows? I can't wait the Monday. This is maximum $4. Please get out a small loss, break even, small gains. This can easily turn into a big loss. So within the where there's a high volatility, nobody knows when it could like hit minus 50, minus 70, minus 80. So if you're ready to lose your capital, then the risk is pretty big. But this stock is joke, reminds me of a single deli in the East Coast that has stock issued. Easy way to become millionaire and rip off people. Monday we'll see $5 per share. They want to be a new EV company. It's a big deal for us guys. 3.24. 6,100 shares. Okay. One dislike. Nice move. What do you think of the next week? So yeah. So as usually there's a high potential to the upside, but also if it goes to the same numbers that they have. For me, this price is not the biggest, but it's if it grows to the 5, you see the lines here, for example. This is midterm downtrending. So pretty much the $2 per share, between 50 cents and $2, they're very good buy opportunities. But yeah, if the volatility continues, there's high potential to go even $6 per share. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.